Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create a Microsoft account. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for account.microsoft.com. Once you are in, click on the sign in button. Now here you have to enter your email, phone or Skype and then click on the next button. Now here you have two options. First is entering the password and the other one is send a code to your email ID. So I am choosing send a code to my Gmail ID. You have to click on that and this will send you a code on your email ID. When you are done with entering the code, you just have to click on next. This is asking for full access on your account. Then click on next and after that you will see that you are landed to your Microsoft account dashboard. So that's it. You have successfully created your Microsoft account. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.